This face mask smells really good. Jake's just informed me that I was wearing a mask and sunglasses at a chase.
No cops yet?
No.
At least you look stylish arriving the bank, dude. People driving by would probably like, holy dude. Is the bank even open today?
Is Baby Blue gonna rob the bank again?
Today, we continue our journey for proper tree planting. We are going to get the irrigation necessary to have success. Duty. Yo, yo, yo.
This is steak and cheese and chimichanga.
Yo, 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 it's Jake from Aqua Gringo Urban Farm here in Tucson, Arizona. Back at it again with my buddy, Cloud, aka the Jason. We're gonna like pretty much update an irrigation system that exists already.
That means plant your seeds. So what are we doing? Let's get to work.
Well, first we're gonna get a little more serious.
Okay.
We have an irrigation system and it powers hundreds of lineal feet. We have to figure out how to get it more pressurized. It's not pushing what it should be doing, and I knew that would happen. We've got so many trees we planted this year. Thanks my buddy Jason, he helped out a lot. Oh, and our friend Ebony, gorgeous Ebony.
Flirt.
We bought a 4-hose faucet timer from Orbit, and we're going to replace a 2-style one so that we get extra pressure. Under pressure. We're going to show you how to install really easy irrigation at anybody's home without being an electrician, without having any skills. All you need is some batteries and a credit card. Ching. We're going to unscrew this and we're going to install this in the new swivel thing, and then we're going to just lay out poly tube. Oh, the video's over. What the f? Am I going the f***ing wrong way?
You're going the wrong way!
Don't add that or I'll f.
Wait, no, this way. Dude, you're really good at screwing.
We're just screwing off. This is the old irrigation. I got this new swivel, swibbity.
And that's only $5,000 on Amazon.
Only 5,000. We would advise you buy it.
Link is in the description.
Does everything you've ever wanted a hose bib to do when it's right there on the ground and you've added too much mulch. This baby's going on. And that's the unveiling. This is the new timer. This one has 4 ports.
Right.
And I find that this Orbit style is super easy to set and forget. Walk away and get your plants wet. You point this in which direction you want. Put your irrigation right up like that, son. Ooh, does this come out? Ooh! All right, so the batteries go in here.
Okay, we got batteries.
We're still just filming, making you look like a fool.
I'll probably end up chopping it.
So this here attaches to the hose itself. Stick it on the end. So this gets hooked up to the irrigation timer. These tubings, we leave the plastic on the outside and cut the inside, and they actually dispense themselves. Why don't you pull it, dude? Lightning.
Yep.
Oh my god, we're gonna get spun.
It's too dark, so we're leaving. We're gonna do it tomorrow, which will be the same day for you.
Whoa. Wait, are we filming?
Yeah.
Oh god. So yesterday we were all set up to get this done, and Went to install this and it just kept leaking, and I realized that the hose bib had actually broken off half of it, which did not create a correct seal. Came back, took a wrench onto it down in the ground. It became a whole other ordeal. PVC pipes, parts we needed, and they last forever. So here we are, and now we're able to get everything hooked back.
Okay, so you should be aware that was a minute and a half long, and about 7 seconds of it will be seen by the viewers. Things broke, we fixed it. All right, so we got these irrigation tube / pipes that are coming off. And what we need to do now is dig a trench right here in order to bury it all the way up to the guava. So what we're doing is using this war pickaxe from Diablo 2, Lord of Destruction. Obviously the best Diablo ever. Don't you agree, Jake?
Yeah, and you usually need 2 of them too to make sure of mass destruction.
Which means you need to be a barbarian character in order to dual wield it appropriately.
So try to grow a beard and look tough, and sip lattes and talk about veganism.
Yeah, this is +1 to veganism. Both of these are +1 to veganism.
Yeah.
And charisma. Anyway, so we're gonna dig. All right, I'll start from that side. You start from this side. That's my fun day.
All right, so groovy new tool that I've just found in the irrigation center. This thing's got a guillotine too. So if you're looking for a little bit of extra chop, this is what you're looking for. With this, you've got a tool to puncture the 1/2-inch poly tube here. Whenever you install these, you want them to be to the side and not upright so that you're not stepping on them constantly. You just put this together and just press that. Boom, so easy, even a caveman can do it.
I take offense to that.
I'm sorry, Neanderthal.
Bullshit.
So we take our barbed coupling. This is what attaches to the main line, and your secondary 1/4-inch line. People who have weakness in their hands, it's not so easy to just stick these in there. You need to use a lighter to warm this up just for a second. It literally takes a couple seconds, and then you just slip this on real easy, like boom, 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 and this goes back into that hole. Here we have just regular 1/4-inch strip line. This does not have holes in it. This just brings it to where you need it, and then you put an emitter at the end and or a drip line with 6-inch holes. Now that you've got your length to get it to the tree well, you just take this and chop.
And this is the same fitting again?
This is the same fitting. This is going to attach to the drip line. So the drip line looks like this. Every 6 inches, it's got holes on both sides. And this gets like this. Wiggle it a little bit, helps a lot. And then you want to measure it out. For a small tree, you're going to do about 12 feet. For larger trees, you're going to want to do about 16. So stretch your arms out. If you're as tall as I am, 5'7", just, towering over all those people in Asia, you're going to do it 4 times. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Put it in between. You take your goof plug. This is if you ever mess up on a poly line. You take your double-sided goof plug. So when we're this goofy, you need more goof plugs. We're done. Looks good, right, guys? All right, hold on. Let me grab some rocks. When they start out new, you gotta give them something to grab onto. So I just use rocks. After a day in the sun, they'll be ready to sit flat. Oh, child. Oh, hey guys. Hi. I just wanted to show you the other part is that you need to cap the end off or it will not work at all.
I feel like I need to tell somebody this.
Are you proposing? Oh my god!
I see dead people. Oh, have you seen a cemetery? They're everywhere.
Alright, so this thing is so easy. Here, I'll just pull this off because it's that easy. So you've got your auto on and you want to just do the manual at first. So you press manual and we want station 1, which is already blinking, and we just add the time. So we're gonna do 10 minutes for now. Before, like I said in the other video, 2 hours once a week during spring, 2 hours twice a week during summer. During the winter, you're going to almost shut this thing off, and probably only once a month if you're getting rains. And we're done, just that easy. So easy, guys. Thank you for joining us today. Hopefully you'll get some stuff watered and have some fun. This is not advanced stuff. This is, I learned this like 20 years ago. 20 years ago I learned all of this. And you poke holes, you stick the thing in, and...
I was learning how to poke holes 20 years ago too.
Yeah, I think it was longer for me, but you plug it, you turn it on, and you get it all moist. And wait, yeah. Go follow his YouTube channel. Cloud the Cutie, little bank robber, whatnot. Maybe you'll see that shot. I don't know.
I love you, you love me. We're a happy family with a big bang and a How did we know we would do that? I don't know.